In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict editing in Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever needed to ensure the integrity of a PDF document or simply want to prevent others from making changes to it, this tutorial is for you. We'll walk through a few straightforward steps to secure your document. Let's dive right in. First, you want to launch Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer. Adobe Acrobat Pro is the go-to tool for viewing, creating, manipulating, printing, and managing files in portable document format. It's not just for reading PDFs, it provides a comprehensive suite of tools for document protection and security. Once you're in the application, the next step is to open the PDF file that you wish to protect. Locate your desired file through the File menu or by clicking and dragging it into the Acrobat workspace. Next, head over to the Tools menu located at the top of your screen. From there, you'll find an option called Protect. Click on it. This will bring up a range of security features that Adobe Acrobat offers. Among these options, look for the one labeled Restrict Editing. Click on it, and this will enable a security setting that prevents unauthorized changes to your document. This is a good way to maintain control over the content and layout of your document, especially if it needs to be shared widely. Now, it's time to set the permissions. This involves creating a password that will be required for anyone attempting to edit your document. When prompted, create a strong password that's both memorable yet hard for others to guess. Remember, a good password usually combines upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters. This step is crucial because without it, the restrictions can be easily bypassed. After you've entered your new password, go ahead and click OK. This action will apply the restrictions you just set. It's essential to double-check that everything is configured properly before proceeding. With the restrictions now in place, your document is significantly more secure against unauthorized editing efforts. The final step in this process is to save your newly secured PDF. You can do this by clicking on the File menu and selecting Save. If you prefer, you can also use the Save As option to create a new version of the document. This allows you to retain an unprotected version of the file for your records. And that's it. You've successfully restricted editing access to your PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Whether you're sharing sensitive information or simply want to maintain the original formatting of your document, this method helps ensure your content remains unchanged. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Feel free to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Adobe Acrobat. Happy editing!